different without you next to me, holding my hand. But I'm okay with it, I'm just fine, taking it all one step at a time, moving slower than ever before. Somehow it feels like I'm doing so much more, lost in moments in my own mind. I feel less lonely when it's me, myself, and I. And I, in my own mind. I feel less lonely when it's me, myself, and I. And I, just me, myself, and I. Oh, just me, myself, and I. I used to search for reflection